Hi everyone, I'm Victoria, loan officer recruiting at Loan Factory. Our CEO will join soon, so I just want to come here and say hi with everyone. Seems like we have a big group today. Where you guys from? Yeah, anyone in San Jose? I am in San Jose, and the headquarters is also in San Jose.
I am from Sacramento, California. So.
Oh, okay, pretty close.
I'm in Jacksonville, Florida.
Oh, I was in Florida too. Yeah,
I am
all
in Florida.
license. Yeah,
I'm in Sarasota, Florida.
nice.
There we
A lot
go.
of Florida people.
I'm
I'm
in
in
Florida.
Bradenton, Florida.
Oh wow, a lot of Florida folks.
I'm in Santa Cruz, California.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's very close to my place, San Jose.
Yes.
I'm in Las Vegas.
Yep.
I love
Vegas.
yeah.
The real estate in Vegas is slowing down a lot, right?
Yeah.
Vegas and Florida are the two big markets that got hit so much.
Yep.
I think
One
everywhere.
Yeah, one
I'm in
thing
Utah.
Utah. One thing I noticed is the real estate market is still very bad, but the stock market it keep hitting the record. So normally the stock market will affect the real estate market, but not this time around. I don't know why. It's so weird. It's very weird. Stocks go up so much. People have a lot of money, but then I guess because the company and a lot of companies are not hiring anymore, and that is why we see rate drop a little bit. And you see at Loan Factory, we see a big refinance wave coming already. We have 80 processors, and they're all running at full capacity.
Wow.
So we are doing really well at Loan Factory. And I want to know like how many of us like expecting to have a good month in October or September. I mean, how is everyone doing? Good?
Florida's
Or
still
it's
pretty
too
hot.
slow? Florida still hot?
Yeah, we're staying busy in Florida.
That's nice. That's nice. Yeah, it's a big, it's a big market. And if you're good, you still have a lot of clients. A lot. People are still buying and selling.
Of
It's
course.
just that it's getting a lot more difficult. But then one thing that we have to notice, I think all of us have to notice, is there's many trends. You can see that Compass is buying anywhere. And then we are seeing Rocket is buying Redfin and Mr. Cooper. A lot of consolidation, a lot of merger and acquisition. And
Right.
you see smaller player are left out. Even at Loan Factory, I mean, even at the broker level, we see there's a few mega brokers that growing so fast. Even Loan Factory, Nexa, C2 Financial, Barrett Financial, Edge Home Loan, we all growing crazy. So there's a lot of consolidation, and for smaller broker, it's getting so much more difficult. Small broker don't have the resources to help their loan officers, and therefore they cannot recruit and grow the company. And the same thing happened. In order to help loan officers, we have to have many things. Like later on, I'm going to show you why it is so important for loan officer to work with big broker like Loan Factory. because we have everything needed to help you so that you can be more successful. Like we have rate platform, so many lenders, so many very good pricing, rate technology, rate support. You will see in the next hour, I will try to show you, I will show you why I am so closing so many loans. So I can share with you the screen. I can share with you the screen and you can see that. Okay, here's my screen and you can see on my dashboard, Loan Factory, we closed almost 700 loans last month and it's going up. This month is going to be crazy. And for me, I closed 64 loans last month.
Nice.
Right here, 64 loans. And I'm pretty much let it run by itself. I rarely, nowadays I'm too busy to help the customers, but the customers still come to me because they love working with Loan Factory, our platform, our brand name, our technology. They love it, our pricing too. So let me share with you. So today I'm going to share with you first our technology, our platform, our marketing, whatever I do, so outstanding, so good that the customer and loan officer, they have to work with Loan Factory basically. And I will show you the process, how we move a loan from A to Z, so that you understand. You will understand what kind of support you will get, what kind of platform you will be working with. And of course, if you have any question, I want you to ask me, ask a lot of questions. But if it's not related, please wait to the end. Wait to the end because I know that you have a lot of questions and I would love to answer all of it. So let me start it by show you, let me show you the main website first. So we still have a lot of people joining, over 70 people already. So this is our main website. This is our main website. And you can see right away when entering the website, we have two parts, right? On the left side is $1,000 best price guarantee. So we guarantee that we have the best rate, best pricing. If not, we will pay the consumer $1,000. So this, if you promote this, if you can go on social media, or you can tell all your past client and realtor that you have the best rate. If not, you have the best rate to offer to them. If not, you will pay them $1,000. They would love to work with you. They would be amazed. But if you click on the term and condition here, we show them 3 steps. So basically, they will upload the loan estimate right here. And when they upload the loan estimate, we will tell them if we can beat that loan estimate or not. If not, we tell them to close the loan and send us the CD, and we pay them $1,000. Really simple. We challenge the consumer so that they can shop around. But most consumer don't shop around. So we challenge them. We want them to shop around. Give us the loan estimate. I think all of you right now, you would love to have someone, a borrower, come to you and say, "Hey, here's the loan estimate I got from another loan officer. Can you beat it?" You love that, right? You love when someone come to you and give you that loan estimate. So this program is exactly will make it happen for you. If you promote this, people will know about you. Like, oh, that guy is crazy. He promised he paid me $1,000. He cannot give me the best rate, and the consumer will know that, and they will definitely come to you. If they shop around, if they have an LE, they give it to you. Yeah, hi Mark.
Hi, Tuan. How's it going?
I'm good. Thank you.
So You know what? I did get a question about this $1,000 best price guarantee.
Yes.
One realtor told me, "Hey, what if I bring you the client first, and then for some reason the client wants to go elsewhere, and then
Uh-huh.
comes back later with a loan estimate? Does it count? Does it count as for the $1,000?"
Yeah. We said that we will beat any offers, any other competing offers. We can beat it.
But they have to bring the CD, right? Not the LE, right? Or can it be either?
No, initially they give us the CD. They have to give us a chance to beat that offer. If we say, I'm sorry, this is so good, I cannot beat it, go ahead and close the loan with that lender, with this same term here. And after you close it, bring me the CD, I pay you $1,000. That's
Oh,
how
okay.
it works. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Hi, Deepak.
Hey, how are you? So, couple
You good?
questions, okay? And I apologize, I'm driving. I come from a broker world. I agree with $1,000. So let's just say a borrower brings us a CD, we cannot match it. Who pays $1,000? And secondary, who pays $1,000? We didn't
Yeah.
even make any money on not closing. And secondary, if we can beat them, what kind of broker comp or LO comp is available on that? You know what I mean?
Good question. So loan factory will pay for that $1,000. You don't have to pay.
Okay.
So when they upload the LE, you must respond. We are monitoring that. We know that. And then we would, if you, of course, in a normal situation, right now, let's say you're not with loan factory, but right now, if someone bring
Right.
you a loan estimate, you will try to compete. You will try to win, right? And you
Right,
are
of
willing
course.
to lower your compensation so that you can win, right? And that is exactly what we ask for. You have to be willing to lower your compensation to win.
To
You
what
cannot say
level?
to zero.
Okay.
To zero.
Well, yeah, I mean, if you lower it to zero, of course you're gonna you're gonna beat out your competition.
Yeah. Because you know that they already have an offer. If you don't beat that offer, they're not gonna work with you, right?
So
So
if I have to lower my comp to zero, am I not making anything on the deal?
correct. But in reality, we launched this program more than a year and a half already. We received no complaint from loan officer that they're making zero. Everyone happy. And
Of
we never
course, yeah.
lose
I mean,
any money.
okay.
Yeah. So based on that, it's pretty safe for loan officer and for the company. But it help us. We have marketing tool to promote ourselves, and we encourage consumer to shop around.
Okay.
So it's great. Don't worry about it. I mean, this is a rate.
May I get to the
Oh.
point? And I apologize. I have a lot of people on this call.
Sure.
Again, coming from I've been in the industry for 23 years. As far as a LO working for a loan factory, what are we responsible for? I get it. Different lenders have different broker comp and what have you. Per file, what are we responsible for loan factory? How much are you charging per file?
So you are an independent loan officer. You set your own comp. We allow you to make up to 2.5% or 250 bip.
Sure. What is loan factory charging per file?
We charge $595 flat fee per file, $595 plus $500 processing fee. So let me go right into that area. It's $595 plus $500 processing fee.
Which is fair. That's not bad. Okay.
Okay. So hold on to that. I will move on, but then I will answer a lot of questions later on. So the technology, I'm gonna show you the technology soon. Training, we provide training. Let me see. let me go back to this. Okay, here. Everyone understand the $1,000 best price guarantee. Of course, we want to be safe. We will not honor, we will exclude jumbo loan. We will exclude adjustable rate mortgage, and we will exclude non-QM loan. So,
Okay.
pretty much everything conventional, FHA and VA, we will beat anyone. So that is our promise. And then let's go to the pricing engine here. You can see we have two pricing engine, non-QM and QM. So, and let me run the pricing for you. Talking about the pricing, we are the best platform. Nobody can beat our pricing. I can guarantee you that as well. And that's why I have that $1,000 best price guarantee. Nobody can beat our pricing. I want all of you. You can run a scenario right now and compare. If you have better pricing than Loan Factory, please let me know. I challenge you. Okay? So, and anyone can run pricing on our website. We are doing business very transparent. We are not afraid of competition. We want to compete against you because we believe competition will make us better. We believe that competition will help the consumer. So I want you to do a comparison. Imagine you have a client who's shopping around between you and Loan Factory, and you must beat Loan Factory. Otherwise, you will lose a client. So I challenge you to beat Loan Factory or even match with Loan Factory pricing. Okay, I challenge you. But that is your exercise. If you run a business, you are running a business right now. You have your own client. But if your client shop around and you losing that client to your competitor, that is not good. So I want you to remember this. Do not lose client to anyone. You must win every time. If you don't, that is not good. So try that, okay? It's really difficult to find a prospect who come to you and ask you for a quote. It's very difficult. So don't lose that chance to win. Okay, I challenge you to beat Loan Factory. And if you join Loan Factory, you will have the best pricing. You can beat anyone. And I don't understand a lot of loan officer. Why are you still working with a broker or a company that pay you very little? The split is too bad. You have nothing left. If you are with one of those broker, I don't know why. I mean, you need to look after your bottom line. You need to look after your business. You have to grow your business, and you have to help your clients. Remember, you have the fiduciary duty to help your clients, right? You need to give them the best possible rate. And if you don't shop around, if you work with a broker that don't have the best pricing, and you send all your loan to one or two lenders, you don't shop around, I feel bad for your clients that you are not good. So let me share with you, okay? So I will run a scenario, but let's say the borrower have low credit score, okay? 20% down with low credit score. And let's see what is the rate that the borrower will get. So in this case, I will assume they have the highest. They will have the highest income. Remember, Loan Factory will have the best technology. We look at income when we calculate the rate for the borrower because income does affect the rate. And I will show that to you later on. Many loan officers don't even know this. Many loan officers don't even know about this. So here is the rate. Here's the rate. And you can see that the rate is almost 6.625%. This is no point. This is a little credit back, right? And if you click on the lender name, you can see the breakdown of total adjustment. I mean, the total adjustment is 2.15% because the FICO LTV adjustment. This borrower have low credit score, and that's why the rate is too high. And you can see our broker compensation here, 1%. So loan officer will make $4,000 on this loan, and out of this 4,000, you need to pay loan factory $595 and $500 processing fee. So your net is almost $3,000, $2,900. Okay, so we show everything. We show everything to our competitor, to you. And let me show you something else. Let's say for you probably give the client this rate, right? But for me, I will go in and say, I will check the income. I will ask the client, are you first-time buyer? And what is your income? And let's say the client say my income is $230,000. They can see that they qualify for this rate discount. And let's check out the rate. Check out the rate. And you can see that the rate now dropped to 5.875. So you see that with if you compete against Loan Factory, you quoted the rate at 6.625. I quoted my rate, my client at 5.875. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win, right? So that's why our technology will help you win the deal. Not only that, our technology will help you win the trust of the consumer. We will build a website like this for you. Every loan officer have a website like this. Every loan officer. And when your client go to your website, they can see we have 36 lender total. And if they expand it, they see that we're shopping around and they want to be here. They want us to submit loan to this lender. And imagine you send loan to this lender on the bottom, New Rest or Orion, PRMG, Homebridge, Click and Close. Imagine you send loan to this lender. Your rate gonna be so bad. Your rate is really bad. And how can you win? So this is why I don't understand some loan officer complaining that their business is not doing well. It's simply because they don't have the technology. They don't have the pricing engine. They don't have the tool to help them. And they don't even shop around for their clients. And imagine you send your client to Freedom Mortgage. It's $6,600 points. Why? When I give my client some credit, and the client, let's say they are your good friend, they trust you, they do loan with you, but then along the way, halfway through, they see Loan Factory offer better rate, or they see some other loan officer offer better rate. What would they think? They think that you are not good. You're not helping them. And therefore, they will never come back to you. They will never refer anyone to you. And so this basic problem, the basic mistake that costs a lot of loan officer so much. And that is the reason why so many loan officers are not doing well. Imagine you shop around like crazy. You challenge your client. You tell them that you have the best rate, the best pricing. They would love you. And they will be your client forever. Not counting the service that you will impress the client, the technology, the service. I'm going to show with you later on how good we are with the technology. And let's say the client like this rate, 5.875. They say, hey, should I buy down the rate? I saw that I can pay $1,800 to get 5.625. You can simply select the two rate and compare. Then you can see how much, what is the break even, 3 years and 4 months. We have everything, and you can share that with your clients. You can email, text them. So not only that, but you can also compare with a 20-year fix. So let's say the client said, what if I want 20-year fix? You can simply click here and you can compare. You click there, you can see 5.375, and you can compare. You can see how much the client can save. Simply switching from 30-year to 20-year, the client save almost $200,000 out of $400,000 loan amount. So imagine right now, I win so many refinance clients because they think that the rate is not good enough for them to refinance, because they go from a 28 years left to a 30 years. But then I propose them 20 years and they love it. So for example, I do a refinance here, right? Let's say a typical case, the client have, I quote the client this rate for 30-year fix. The tool is amazing. And then on the bottom, okay, hold on. 5, 6, the rate is kind of high because, let's see why. Okay, 6.5. How come it's so high? Maybe the LTV is they don't have enough credit score. Just to let you know that we have 15,000 reviews, all 5-star. We have the best review in the industry. And imagine you work with Loan Factory, all your clients are happy with you and give you 5-star review. That is exactly what you want, right? If you run a business and your client doesn't happy with you, that is not good. We are providing service. And if you cannot provide good service, how can you expect to be successful? If you join Loan Factory, you are almost 100% sure that your client will be happy with you and give you Google Business Profile so that you can collect Google review. Go back to this scenario. If the client asks me for a refinance this scenario, I quote him 6%. I quote 6%. And then but the client say my rate right now is 6.25. I don't see a lot of benefit to refinance. I have 29 years left. So what I do is I also look at 20-year fix. And then I offer them 5.5%. And you can compare the two options. You can also compare the current rate that they have, 29 years left, right? And the rate they have is 6.25%. Let's see how much they save. $206,000. If you share with them this screen, you take pictures, you text it to them, or you share to their email, they would love to start to refinance. They would want to refinance. So using the tool, try to understand the client. Remember, client want to save money, right? That's why they want to refinance. And if you show them that they can save $206,000, would they say no to that? So this is why it's so important to have a rate tool to help you win. And you can click on the link here to share with your client. You can view the fee. You can allow them to view the fee. Remember, everything like this, you can see it, you can do it. We have it available for you, for the consumer, for our competitor. We're not afraid. And then the client, if they become greedy, they want 5.25 no cost, then they can create a red alert so that when it hits 5.25 with no cost, we will email them or text them. And then here they'll fill out their information. We build this for you. We have this for you. Okay. We have this for you. And the client can see if they qualify or not. Can you imagine that the client or your realtor or you can qualify a client in 30 seconds. You can click here and enter the income. We will tell if the client qualify or not. More than 50% chance they might not qualify. So that is the, if you do 6,000 a month, then you see DTI is over 60%. So let's see how fast we are. Everything we do take about 2 to 3 clicks, and it takes less than 30 seconds. Everything. That's why our software is so easy to use, so good, and you will like it. On the bottom here, we promote our loan officers based on the number of review that you have. The more review that you have, you will be shown on top of the page so that the consumer can see you. And we also have a website for you. Every loan officer, we have a website. You can buy your own domain name, like YilinMortgage.com. You can check out the loan officer website. This is her website. So everyone can have your own website with the $1,000 best price guarantee. So you can have your own website. Okay, like model here. So you have your own website, and you can visit her website to learn more about her. So we build a website for you for free. Okay, it's loading, it's slow. Any questions so far before I continue?
Hi, my name is Kumar. I'm just trying to understand one thing. So when you said website, can we build our own brand also, or?
You can do ABC Mortgage powered by Loan Factory.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
That's all you can do. You cannot have your own name or brand. We don't allow that. Thank you. Hi, Edward. Hello,
I have
Edward.
a question.
Yeah.
Hey, how you doing? Real quick
Good.
question I have is the example you showed us for the example showed 1% broker compensation. Who sets
Yes.
or how do you set the compensation? Number one. Two, it might be off, but you can address it later if you want. But as far as initial docs, like 3-day docs, how was that handled?
Yeah. So
Thank you.
can you repeat the first question? I'm sorry.
The broker
You got cut off.
compensation, how do you set it? Because the example you showed us had it at 1%, I believe.
Yes. Yes.
How do you get it? Say,
So-
for instance, if you wanted to do 2.5.
Yes, cool. So basically, all of you can set your own compensation. You have your own website. You go in and say, I want to make 1% on every loan. Or you can say, I want to make 1.25% on every loan. You set it up yourself. And when you set it up like that, everything happens automatically. The pricing will update automatically every time. So you don't have to do anything. So one strategy is you can set it at 1.25 or 1.5, and then you can always give discount to your client if you want to help them out, and so that you can make them feel good. So that is to answer your first question. You can control your own pricing. We allow you. Let me share with you the screen. We allow you to set your own compensation. And at Loan Factory, we set our lender pay compensation with almost all lenders at 2.5%. That is lender pay compensation. You can make up to 2.5% of the loan amount. However, in many cases, when you need to compete or you need to help your client get lower rate, you can switch the loan to borrow pay compensation and lower your comp. You can lower it all the way to 0, but it's up to you. And you can also send your loan into our correspondent channel and set the COM anywhere from 0 to 2.5%. So it's up to you to decide that. We have a correspondent license in more than 30 states, and we have 4 lenders, 4 correspondent investors. That answers your first question. The second question is, our processing is the best in the industry. Our technology make everything so easy and simple. Our processor handle everything for you. The moment the loan is ready to be submitted to the lender, they will take over. They will register the loan, issue the disclosure. They will submit. They will be working closely with you. They will bring the loan all the way to fund it. They will monitor the loan. So as soon as the lender approve, they know that. They will call you. They will go over conditions with you. They want to make sure you and them are on the same page on how to clear all the conditions. And they will work with the borrower. They will work with title, escrow. They will work with the employer for VOE. They will work with insurance agent, the condo HOA. They will do everything to bring the loan all the way to fund it, and you don't have to do anything unless the loan run into problem. They will escalate to you. They will talk to you to find out a solution. So if there's any condition that cannot be closed within a week, they call you right away. They will call you to go over. And they also get help. They themselves, before they call you, they also ask their manager to help them. They will ask the AE to help them. So we must help you so that you are free up your time and focus on growing your business. So that does that answer both of your questions?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. So let's see who is next. Naya? Hey, Naya.
Hi, good afternoon, Mr. Nguyen. How are you?
I'm good.
So I have a quick question for you. On the platform, the example that you're showing on the commission, that's a 1% borrower paid commission. Is there a way to switch that to a lender paid commission amount in California? So I think you mentioned 2% for the lender paid commission. Would the rate stay the same, or how does that work?
The rate, of course, get worse, right?
Right.
The more you make, the lower, the worse the rate, the higher the rate. It's always the case. So let me, on your website, you can set your compensation. So if you set it 2.5, then the pricing gonna be high. The pricing gonna be bad. So you can run pricing here, and you can see the rate. But let me show you here on the back end for you as the loan officer. So what happened is when you run the pricing, you can expand it here. You can see on the bottom here, you can see the compensation is 1%, and you can change it to 1.5, or in your case 2.5, and you can run the pricing again. The rate would be higher. So it's up to you, right? So you can from loan. So you can see the rate jump a lot to 6.375. And you can click on the lender name. You can see, oh, sorry. Provident Fund is an exception. They don't allow us to change the compensation. So Provident Fund is the only lender don't allow that. But you can see the compensation here. You can adjust it. You can do 1.5 and refresh it. So let's say in some case, so much competition, you need to lower your compensation to 0.5 percentage point. You can do that. Then after you run the pricing, you can share this result with your client. So we allow you to change this. And on top here, you can select one lender or the channel. You can correct correspondent only, and you can These are the states that we are doing correspondent with. And you can select only Thailandin or PennyMac or Rocket Mortgage. And you can see the pricing of that lender only. So we have, you can see all of this. We allow you a lot of flexibility. And one good thing about Loan Factory is as a flat fee model, you know that it's so much better than a 10 or 15% split. I know some of you work with a broker, they split with you 20%, 80%, or 15%, 85%. And in that model, if your loan amount is $8,000, I mean $700,000, your commission can be $10,000 or sometimes $20,000. And the broker get the big split, right? They keep a lot of money. But with Loan Factory, you pay us a flat fee, $595. You keep the rest. That is beautiful, right? And in case, let's say in case that the loan amount is too small and your income, your commission is so low, let's say only $2,000 or $1,500, Loan Factory will help you. We will split the commission with you instead of charging you $1,100, $1,095. You know, we help you out. So that's how we help our loan officers. And later on, I'm going to show with you why we are so much better. You know, the more I show you, the more you can see why we are so much better and why loan officer join us. So many loan officers joining us. So you can see I keep track of the loan officer record here. So right now, Nexa has the most number of loan officer. So we track all of this number. And Loan Factory is the second. We are the second biggest mortgage platform, but we are growing a lot faster than Nexa. We are growing a lot faster than Nexa. We keep track of all of this. So there's a reason why people join Loan Factory. And when they join, they see that we are great, and that's why they don't leave, right? Loan officers don't leave us. They love to work with us. And that's why the bottom line, our loan officer account keep growing and growing fast. And one more thing is we are launching our stock, our RSU. I'm finalizing it right now. So for example, I have it here. So I haven't finalized this yet. I just share with you. So for example, if you close one loan on average per month for the past 12 months, you get 2,000 share. And the one who refer will get 1,000 share. So this, we're gonna launch it for sure next Monday. But I don't want to talk too much about that. That is not important. What is more important is our platform is so good, can help you grow your production. Let me move on. Actually, there's a few more hands up, but I want to hold on for a few minutes, and I want to share with you our marketplace. Our marketplace is so good. What happened to our marketplace? Okay, here you can see we have 249 lenders. 7 of them are live right now. You can talk to them. You can click on the live here. You can see who is live. You can click on it and talk to the lender. We have all information about our lender, their license state, their phone number, their website, their lock policy, the EPO policy, the niche and overlay, and all that. 249 lenders. You can filter by the channel. You can filter by the name. You can see the product offer. Let's say you have a private loan. you want to look for a lender. You click here and you can see that we have 84 lenders that can do private loan. You can, let's say you want to do a commercial loan. You click here, you can see that we have 58 lenders that can do commercial loans. And let's say you want to reach out to them. It's really easy. Click on that and you can see their AE, their email and phone number. You can email them or call them right away. Or if you have a difficult scenario, you're afraid that many lender cannot help you, so you can click on this button, email this lender a scenario. When you click on that, you can write a scenario. You can write a scenario and you can send it to this lender. You can send to more lender. And this lender will receive your scenario and they will get back to you. And you simply post it. They will get back to you. That is how we can connect you with the lender so that they can help you. You can see we have so many programs here, so many programs. And you can VA renovation. You can see we have this lender. You can select some weird program. 1099 12 months. We have so many programs for you. Okay. And so this is the lender marketplace. We connect you to the lender. And I told you earlier about when you post a scenario to many lender, the lender will get back to you. Email sent. They email you. The lender get back to you right here. We can do that loan. I will email you. So that help you find a lender for your clients, for your realtor. I bet that all of you in the past, you said no to your clients or your realtor when they come to you and they say, hey, can you do mobile home loan? Can you do commercial loan? Can you do this difficult loan? I don't have income. My income is too low. You said no. I cannot do it. But now at Loan Factory, we can do any type of loan, almost any type of loan, even no income, if the borrower have no income, no job, no problem. Even if it is a primary resident, can you believe it? Primary resident, no income, no job, we still can do it. And the rate is good, under 7%. Can you believe it? Under 7%. It's amazing. That program, we call it Home Port on AAA lending, under 7%. You don't have to send the client to a private money lender. You can help the client get lower rate, under 7% for a client that don't have a job. Okay. Here at Loan Factory, if you click on Loan Factory tab, we have support specialists live to help you. Many times we have our underwriter and loan officer live to help you. You can reach out to our loan officer here. We have a team. We have team. A lot of team. We have a lot of member. So you can create your own team, or you can join a team. You can reach out to the team leader and talk to them. We have 44 teams sold. We have mentorship. So if you are new to the business, you can join a mentor. At Loan Factory, if you are new, we pay you only 80%. However, if you join a mentor, the mentor will help you and we pay you 100% so that you have money to split with the mentor. You can have we pay you 100%. If you work with a mentor and pay the mentor, you are free to pick the mentor to work with. And You can become a mentor too if you want to help other people, and you get paid for helping the mentee. Event. We have a lot of event going on. Event or training. We have a lot of training, like October 6th, October 7th, October 8th. A lot of training every day. Facial DPA program, the lender that offer DPA program. So this is yet a quick kick at the marketplace. And I'm going to take a break and answer the question. Let's see who is next. Let's see who is next. Number 1. I couldn't see it. Hello, hi, Steve. Hello, Steve. I cannot hear you. So let me move on to Mark. Hello, Mark.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
I had a question about what platform you use, like Point, Calyx, Arrive.
Good question. We have our own platform. We build our own platform. We are the only company in America that can build our own platform. So we don't use any of those. We don't use any of those. We have our own, and we give it to you for free. Our software is better than all of them. Our platform is much better because we have everything. Our platform have POS, LOS, pricing engine, CRM, and marketing. We have everything together. And that's why our platform is so much better. Our platform used by over 2,000 loan officers, used by me. I'm the one that built it because I know the requirement. I know how to build it so that it's powerful. I know how to build it so that it helps my business. Thank you. Hello, Steve. Mark. Hello, Mark.
Hi again, Tuan.
Yes.
Would it be possible to set up a training for using the pricing engine, especially for us new loan officers?
Yeah. I forgot to mention, when you join Loan Factory, we offer you training. So you can see right here, the event is training. You see the completed event here.
Yep.
Jessica and I, we offer 5 training a month, plus the pickup call. So Jessica provides training about compensation and fee, how to work on your loans. And then I offer the pricing engine right here, how to use the pricing engine. And you can watch it. I offer how to deal with leads and marketing. So we offer a lot of training. And it's free completely. Thank you. Thank you,
Okay.
Mark.
Thank you.
Thank you. Let's see. Hello, hi, Neil. Hello, Neil. Look like Neil has an issue. Who's next? Ridan, I couldn't catch the name. My screen is so small, I can not see the name. Rianetta? Rianetta? Hello? Your hands up. Hello, Neil. Can you hear me? Neil? Hello, KK.
Hi, hi,
Yes.
Tuan. Thank you. My question is two questions. One question is, I am a realtor also in California.
Yes.
The same broker has the DRE MLO, so I'm working with him right now. But
Yes.
is it possible to work as a DFPI for you in California and the rest of the country?
Yes. At Loan Factory, we have both license, DFPI and DRE.
Okay.
Right now, we are about probably at the end of the month we will change our policy. So at the end of the month we will require you to have DRE license if you want to get paid 1099. If you are DFPI, we have to pay you W2. However, we are also gonna launch our real estate division next week, so you can be with Loan Factory and can do VRE, and you can do real estate and mortgage at the same time with Loan Factory.
Okay. So I can do rest of the country, right? Now when you are covered most
Yes.
of the, okay.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
that's good.
We are licensed in 48 states. You can work anywhere in the country. Thank you, KK.
Hi,
Hi.
this is Renelda.
Yes, hi.
Hello. The question you just addressed in reference to the DRE and the other one, I was told by your staff that I had to go. Right now, my license is under one broker, and it's DRE. And
Yes.
I called the NMLS, and they said that if my license were not going to be held under one broker, I would have to pay. So, but I heard you say that you're getting next week you'll be under DRE, correct? And I won't have to pay money.
Yeah, if you have DRE license, you can work with Loan Factory, no problem.
Okay, so I'm a realtor and a MLO.
Yes.
So I can okay. So your staff
And you
told
can work.
me.
Yeah, you can work. You can work on both real estate and loan under Loan Factory.
Okay, so I'll circle back around to the person I was dealing with your company, and
Yeah, it's really new. I just decided the last 2 days.
wonderful,
Yeah, we launched our real estate division, and you
wonderful,
can have you can do both with Loan Factory. Thank you.
wonderful.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Hi, Ranika.
Taking my question. So I am in California, and couple questions. I'm licensed under a lender in New Jersey. So my license is as DFPI.
DFPI. Yeah,
But
okay,
I want to
okay.
keep it as DRE because I do have a realtor's license in real estate agent's license in California as well. So I want to be a 1099. But again, one of the your recruiting team, he told me that I can't do that, but I should be able to, right? If I have my real estate agent's license and my NMLS in California.
Yeah, if you have DRE license in California, you can do both real estate and mortgage with Loan Factory in California. Yes.
Okay, and one other question. You mentioned about when you were showing the pricing, and you were showing where the agent was making 1% commission. Will the client be able to see that information?
No,
Okay,
the client won't see it. Yeah.
okay, good.
Yeah.
Thank you. That's
Thank
it.
you. Thank you. Yeah, just ask me a lot of questions. Hello, Mark. Hello, Mark.
Hello. Can you hear
Yes. Yes.
me? I'm in Florida, so I'm licensed just in the one state. Would I be able to work in the other 47 states?
It's very easy. You can get licensed. You can apply to get licensed in other state and work in other state.
Okay.
Yes, you can.
And then you have help with generating leads?
Yeah, good question. We are buying lead.
Okay.
And we also do a lot of marketing to get social media lead. And we sell it back to you, or you can use it for free. So
Okay.
if you buy our lead, let's say trigger lead, we sell it for $2.50 each. $2.50. If you don't have the money, you can work for you can get lead for free. However, the commission would be split 50-50 with the company.
Okay.
And what happened is we have the best technology in the industry. Nobody can come close. So we have a mobile app. Our mobile app allow you to do everything. So our loan officer can travel around the country, go overseas, and all you need is the cell phone and your phone with a mobile app. You can do everything on your mobile app. And when talking about lead, let's say you sign up with lead, you can go to the website. Let me share with you. You can go to our website and you go to our website right here, loan officer important setting. Everything you set it up. You can say, I want to receive company lead, I want to receive Facebook lead, I want to receive Equifax trigger lead. So we require you to use Zoom phone in order to turn it on. And when you turn it on, you can indicate that you want free lead or pay lead. You can pick, and then you can pick wherever state that you want the lead to receive the lead. It will automatically populate it for you. If you don't like it, you just delete it. Okay? And you can enter the language that you want to receive, the lead who speak the same language with you. So that's it. You save it, and then we will send the lead to you every morning. Every morning, we send the lead to you, so that and when we send it to you, you go to lead. Let me show you. I cannot use the production site for privacy. I cannot show my client name to all of you.
That's okay.
The regulator one time told me to stop that, so I cannot show you the real action, but I can show you right here using a sandbox server. So if you go to your lead, you can see my lead, which is your lead, right? You can see the source of the lead, like from trigger lead, and you can click here to call them or text them. So the same thing happened on your mobile home phone, your mobile app. So every morning, 8 a.m., we send you a notification. We send you the lead on your cell phone. You see it show up right here. And all you need to do is click to call them. You can do the same on your cell phone. We send it to your cell phone. You tap on it. You see the list of lead that we send to you. You tap on it, you call. So convenient, so good. No other company have this system. And our mobile app is really good. It can be used by realtor and your client. We are pushing to have all of our clients to use mobile app when they work with Loan Factory. That means they don't need to go to the website on the desktop. They don't need to call you, text you, email you. There's so many things, so confusing. Everything happened on mobile app. The client, think about the client. We need to make sure they are happy, right? We need to impress them, right? And we know that the client is afraid of the mortgage process. They think it's too complicated. They think that it's too much trouble, too long, too much hassle. And with our system, our mobile app, they can do 4 things that they want. They check the rate, they fill out application, they check the rate, they fill out application, they send you documents, and they communicate with you. 4 things all happen at the app, and they love it because everything happened there. They can chat with you or the processor there. They know what's going on there. Everything faster and better on the mobile app. And this is what we call ourselves as an Uber of mortgage. We want all consumer to use our mobile app to get loan with us. So check out Loan Factory mobile app and you will see how good it is. Thank you. Hello,
Thank
Neil.
you.
Hello, Neil. Hello, Neil. Can you hear me? I will pass you. I'm sorry. Look like you don't respond. Hello, KK.
Hi, I have one more question about I have some people who are ready to help me as a loan officer assistants. Yeah, they are not licensed, but is it possible for me to use them as a loan officer assistant for them to reach out to the clients, promote the business, things like that?
The answer is no. They don't have a license. First of all, they don't have a license. They should not advise the client or work with the client closely. Secondly, the company Loan Factory, we won't allow them to deal with the client information because we have no control over that loan officer assistant. And for compliance, we need to make sure we can protect our client privacy and their data. So we cannot allow the LOA to work with the client. They have to be an employee of Loan Factory. Even if they are an employee of Loan Factory, we monitor them. We don't allow them to engage in unlicensed activity.
Yeah, that's for sure. But no, what if they want to really go and try to get the business, not like getting their paperwork, but just trying to solicit the business, trying to talk to some other realtors, or is that possible to do that?
And that is, if they talk to realtor, they're more like marketing person, business development person, and they are not loan officer assistant anymore.
Okay.
They don't work with client. And of course, yes, they can work with realtor. They don't have to be, because they don't deal with client, they don't have to be part of Loan Factory. They don't need to access to the system. Yeah.
Okay, but
Yeah,
they can
but
work for me as marketing people and all that, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's
Thank you. Thank you, KK. Hello, Kavita.
Hi, thank you. Thank you for your time.
Yes.
This was really helpful. So I have a couple of questions. First one about the leads. Now, you did mention about the leads. Are these warm leads? Are they vetted, or they're just internet leads?
So right now we have two types of leads. Actually, three types of lead. The first one is trigger lead. I shared with you about trigger lead already, right? You have to call them. Trigger lead is basically the client who applied with another broker or loan officer. Their credit was poor. The credit bureau will sell us the information so that we can call and try to win. So that is, you have to call them really fast. You have to call them, try to be the first one to call them. Second type of lead is social media lead. We run ads, and when we have the lead, we will send it to you. So for the lead, for this lead, we will try to call them. However, we will try to call them and warm it up and then send to you. So that is the warm lead, but we are trying to get the cold lead sent straight to you as well. So for example, let's say you speak Hindi and you want to help your Indian clients, right? So we can run ads and get the lead who speak your language. And when we have lead, we will send it to you directly in real time to your cell phone and to your mobile app, and you can tap on it and call the lead who speak your language. We have that. And the third type of lead is, we call that company lead. So Loan Factory is well known out there. So a lot of consumer go straight to our website. They check rate, they create rate alert, and when they apply or they show interest, we send it to you. And These leads have really high quality. The chance that you close is very high, like 50% chance. And because of this, we pay you only 25 bip. However, you do very little because we provide a loan coordinator and a processor to help you. You do very little. The good thing is you also the loan officer of the loan, and you will have that relationship with the client. In the future, if the client come back for more business or refinance, you can help the client. So those are the three types of leads that we have. And we have a lot of trigger leads for sure, a lot of trigger leads. It's all about you. Can you call and convert them or not? We try to send it to you very early, before 8 a.m. So you're going to be the first one to call the lead.
Okay.
Yeah.
And these are
Thank you.
exclusive, so you don't send it to another LO within Loan Factory, right?
Correct. We don't send to other loan officer.
And
It's
we are able to
exclusive.
subscribe to all three different types of leads if I want all the three?
Yes.
Okay. And next question was about mentorship. Now, I know I spoke to someone in Victoria, I believe. She told me the first 5 loans are you're tied to your mentor. Now, what if I wanted the mentor to stay longer? Am I able to ask them to stay longer? Probably to
Yeah.
9 loans?
Yeah. You can do that. Also, you can do this. You can, the mentor love to work with you for sure. And the mentor know that the first loan is difficult, but the more they help you, the more you learn, it's easier for them, and they will love to work with you for more transaction, right? We also have production partner here, and you can select if you want to become a production partner or not. And on our marketplace, you can pick a production partner to work with. Let's say you are busy, you have another job, or you want to take good care of your family, but you have a good network of consumer, of realtor. You can bring in a lot of loans, but you don't want to deal with the clients. Then you can pick a production partner to work with you. You can filter by language. And then you can split the commission with your with your production partner. Or you can form a team and you can have a split. We allow all of this. It's really good system. And when you work with a mentor or production partner or a mentor or team leader, we split the commission and pay you separately. You don't have to deal with it.
Okay.
Everything automatic.
Sure.
And when the loan funded, you go to request commission and that's it. We pay you. Everything's so simple. You don't need to worry about the compliance. You don't need to upload like 20 different documents and all that. Yeah, we take care of all of that for you.
Okay, so the mentor and the production partner will have to be paid separately if I have both of them on a transaction, right?
Correct.
Okay, and the split will be discussed with the production. I know the mentors have a set amount of split, but then the production partner will have something else that we'll have to work between ourselves, right?
Yes. It's up to you. You can negotiate with the production partner and say, hey, I can send you the deal. It's the real client. They fill out application already. All you need to do is help the client close the loan. That's it. And therefore I pay you only 30% or 20%. It's all up to you and the production partner.
Wonderful. And I'm not in California. Do I need a DRE? Because I'm not licensed in California, so I don't need that, right?
It's all about you, right? If you don't want to work in California, then you don't have to.
Okay.
You don't need to get licensed in California at all. You stay in your state. Yeah.
All right. Perfect. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Hi, Nisha. Hello, Nisha.
Hi, Mr. Nguyen. How are you?
I'm good.
I have 3 questions. Thank you so much for taking time out to do this. I am the small brokerage you were discussing earlier. I have
Yes.
24 loan officers and the market is whipping my tail. And so we're thinking about coming over and working along with you. And
Yes.
it makes sense. So the first question I have is how much are credit reports?
I believe it's like $86 each. We work with
Okay.
Advantage Credit because we have the volume. They give us a big discount. So it's $86. Yeah.
Okay. And then team structure. Am I able to do a customized comp plan based on the team? Because there's a lot of stuff that I do as their leader that will bring them business.
Yes. You can
Okay.
have you can customize separately with each different loan officer. So some loan officer is high producing, really good. You can do 95, you pay them 95%, or
Okay.
even 100%. And then some other they need a lot of help. You can do even 50-50. It's up to you, right? And then even better than that, you can have it. You can distinguish between who bring in the deal, who source the deal. So with the same loan officer, let's say Kevin, right? He's the loan officer in your team, Kevin. You can do this. Hey, Kevin, if I send you the loan, I want to get paid 80%, and you get paid 20%. However, if you bring in the deal, you get paid 90%. I get paid 10%. Our system allow that and keep track of all of that for you.
Okay.
And then
So
you
right
don't
now,
have to worry about paying the loan officer or 1099 them at the end of the year and all that. Everything is taken care by our system.
okay. Because right now some are on 80-20. And then anything I bring home, I give them 50% because I bring in a lot of, natural business. So I want to kind of keep them there, but I still want to be able to make money, on my team.
Yes.
Okay. And then the last question I
And
have is, I'm sorry, Mr. Wynn.
no, go ahead. I'm sorry.
Is there a production minimum per LO?
No,
Okay.
no,
Thank you.
no production. No production for every LO, and we don't charge any fee at all. So let me share with you the screen. Let me finish up, and then I will take more questions. Let me show you. Remember the mobile app that I'm talking about? You have your own mobile app. Can you believe it? You can share that with your client, with your realtor. They downloaded it, and they belong to you. Anyone that use the mobile app to fill out application belong to you. The realtor download the app, they can communicate with you automatically. As long as they scan the QR code, your QR code, and download it and install it. And this way, remember, realtor would love to use it because they can communicate with you in real time and instantly. They can see the list of the deal that they sent to you. They can see the status. It's beautiful. So you can try it out, the mobile app. Let me share with you a few more things about. Let me close this one. Yeah. So let me. So we don't charge any monthly fee at all. No technology fee. It's a true no monthly fee. Some other broker, they say no monthly fee, but they force you to buy a ride or lending pad or pricing or loan shifter. Here, we provide all the software for you. From CIM, POS, LOS, pricing engine, we give all to you for free. You receive training from me as well. We have weekly sales call, we have monthly training, all kind of training. Like last 2 weeks, I provide a training on how to win a refinance. I know that refinance wave is coming, so I share you how to work on how to build up your refinance client. Marketing support. Imagine you have a team of marketing of 10 people who help you for free. Anything you need, like create a customized image, edit a video, or run an ads, they can help you for free. Beautiful. We have underwriting support. So if you need an underwriter to help you, they can help you for free. They can help you calculate DTI. They can help you find a product. Like, let's say you have a difficult scenario, you don't know what product or lender, they can help you. They can help you fight against the lender. They can read a guideline and help you fight against the lender. We have loan officer support live on our marketplace. You saw that earlier. Any question you have, you can reach out to them on our marketplace, talk to them live, and you can create a ticket for any department. We have 24 different departments for you to reach out by create a ticket, they get back to you. We don't charge you any fee at all. If all this, I'm going to show you a lot more with our technology. I haven't shown you about our technology yet, and I will go to detail soon. You get paid 100% commission. We charge only $500 in-house processing fee, which is really cheap, and you can charge the borrower. If you send the loan to our correspondent channel, you can charge $500 to your clients. Or if you use the third-party processing company, then you can charge the client. But I recommend send your loan to our correspondent channel so that you can charge $500 the client. Commission, you can be 1099 or W2. However, in about 8 states, you have to be W2. New Jersey, Nevada, Massachusetts, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, those are the W2 states, and you have to get paid in W2. We have company lead in many states, and let's see. Okay, let me share with you a few more. Okay, I told you the pricing engine, right? The client, when they like it, they can fill out the application. When they fill out the application, they can choose to fill out manually or using AI. The same thing with you. You can use AI to fill out application for you. So let me share with you from here, the borrower, after let's say they run the pricing. Of course, they can click on the link on top to fill out loan application, but they can run the pricing here. And if they like the rate, they click here to apply. And they can say, I want lower rate. They enter their email, they create an account, and then we will show them this one. If they want to use AI to fill out application. Our AI is really smart. It can read all documents, driver license, tax return, pay stub, W2 bank statement. The borrower or you, loan officer, can drag the document here, and AI will read it and populate for you. Okay, that is level 1. We're gonna improve it. We also detect if they apply with us in the past. We will also populate the application for them. And what we're gonna do is look at this beautiful feature right here. You heard about HomeBot, right? Oh, what happened? You heard about HomeBot, right? Or My Home IQ. Let me lock it in. I don't know why it don't allow me. So basically, if you know My Home IQ or HomeBot, it's the same. Every month, we send the homeowner, your past client, your future client, your prospect, a homeowner report that show their home value, how much equity they have, what they can do with their equity. They can refinance, they can cash out, they can take on equity line of credit, they can purchase a new house. We show them all possibility. And better than HomeBot and My Home IQ, we have Ray Alert on built into it. So I'm sorry I couldn't log in. I couldn't log in, but we can have Ray Alert in it. So homeowner, you know that they have a mortgage, they have rate, they want to refinance, they want to save money. So we build the Ray Alert into the report so that we can win the business from them. So I cannot show it to you for some reason today, but let me share with you our Ray Alert feature. Look at this. I myself have I break it out to standalone alert and alert that link to transaction. So all my transaction when client closed, let me go back to this in a moment, right? Let me walk you through the process of a loan from A to Z, right? So you can see that the borrower, they go to our website, they check the rate, they fill out application, right? And when they fill out application, they can use AI to fill it out. They can check the box that they want. They can pull credit report themselves. Our system allow that. You can turn it on so that the borrower can pay for the credit report. And that way you don't have to pay for it. And you can get the permission. Our system will ask for the permission so that our AI will put their phone number in the do not call registry. That way, no loan officer out there will call your clients. We have that. And when the borrower fill out the application, our system will send you a text message to let you know that, hey, this client fill out the application. You can call the client and help them walk them through the application. They will love you because you are so fast. You know that they are filling out application and you help them. So after they fill out the application, they will see the list of conditions and they will upload it. They will upload it. Let me see, where is it? Right here. So it's gonna go to the prospect pipeline. This is the prospect pipeline. And you can see the percentage that they complete. This borrower finished 50%. This borrower finished 90%. You can, after you help the client finish the application, let's say 99%, you click on the application, you go through the application, right? You go through the application, you write the loan story, you can edit it, and you go through the loan application. And after you finish the application, it become 100% done. Okay. Everyone know the application. I don't need to go over that. It become 100%. Then what you would do is you would run the Ray Alert, create a Ray Alert for the client. When you create a Ray Alert for the client, the Ray Alert will be run in real time. So the Ray Alert will be run in real time. So for example, for every loan that I have, I create a Ray Alert for them. And when I create a Ray Alert, I set the target rate and target point. I will be sent out in real time. I can just say create Ray Alert. It's done. And then I will call my client and say, hey, I send your loan to the lender. The lender will approve your loan within 1 to 2 days. Meanwhile, I create a Ray Alert for you already. The Ray Alert will send you an email or text message every morning. So please check your email every morning for the rate. Please monitor the rate and call me if you want to lock the rate. So that way, the client will do the work for you. They will monitor the rate and they will tell you when they want to lock the rate. You don't have to do it. And so So in the past, some of the clients get mad at me because I didn't monitor the rate for them. I didn't tell them when to lock the rate. And they call me and they say, they blame me. They say, yesterday the rate was so good, but you didn't tell me to lock the rate. And now the rate go up. I want yesterday rate. They blame you and they threaten to apply with another loan officer if you don't give them better rate. So if you have this rate alert, they cannot blame you. They cannot blame you at all. And they will do the work for you. They will monitor the rate for you. Imagine you have 20 loans. How can you monitor the rate for all of them every day? It's too much work, right? But at Loan Factory, we take care of that for you. Just create rate alert. It will monitor the rate for you, and it will tell the client when they want to lock the rate. So after, if they call you and want you to lock the rate, you will go in and lock the rate. Our system will turn off the rate alert. We will turn off the rate alert automatically so that the client won't come back and say, hey, rate drop more. Can you give me a lower rate? But then 4.5 months after the loan is funded, we turn it on again with a lower target rate. That way, we always have rate alert running all the times. So you can see it right here. I have 1,200 standalone alert active. I have 1,500 alert that link to a transaction, which is for my past client. And they're active because they are very close to the target. The market rate is very close to what they want. That's why it's called active. But the other alert are not active and we don't want to deal with it. So a lot of clients who have 2% or 3% rate, they are inactive. So here you can see the list here. The list of the client who their target rate hit. And we can call them and help them. And my assistant call the client to help get the deal. So let me finish it up. So let me continue, right? After you tell the client to monitor the rate and tell you to lock the rate, the borrower will monitor the rate for you. When you after you tell the borrower that, you convert your loan into your prospect into a loan. So for example, let me share with you. So you can go to action and convert to loan. You can convert to a loan, and when you convert to a loan, you pick the channel, correspondent or wholesale. If you pick wholesale, you can pick the borrower pay or lender pay. If borrower pay, you can modify the percentage. If it's lender pay, you cannot. If you do correspondent, same thing happen. You can pick the compensation. Let me go back to the rate alert here. So I have a lot of rate alert running, right? Commission, you can go here to request commission. My ticket, you can go here to create a ticket to this department. My referral partners, you can work with referral partner, your realtor, your insurance agent, and you can track what you refer to them and what they refer to you. And we create an account for them. They can use mobile app. There's a lot that you can work to nurture your referral partner. Digital wallet. We have a wallet for you to use. You can fund your wallet. If you are W2 loan officer, you can fund your wallet and you can use the money to pay for lead. Marketing feature, Facebook ads. You can run a Facebook ads in 30 seconds. You can create Facebook ads here. You pick the template based on your language or based on the type of the loan, like refinance or Right now it's refinance, so that's why USDA Best Buy Guarantee. You can pick a template, right? Let's say you pick a template. You can enter your budget, $10 a day, and when you want to end it. And the state that you want to run, the language that you want to run, and submit, done. That's how you can run ads and get lead. And if you do this, it costs you about $4, about that, $4 per lead from Facebook. You can build your own Google Business Review. So we help you create an account. You can gather review, and then you can promote it. When you get the 5-star review, you click here to generate the image to promote it. You can go to marketing material here. We have thousands of marketing material to help you, thousands of it. So in different language, different timeline, different loan program, different FHA, VA, USDA, all kind of loan program. You can pick different language too. Arabic. You can see we have we should have some in Arabic. No, okay. French. We have one in French. So a different language. You can request our marketing team to create your own customized language image. You can promote a daily rate. So you can see the rate for 15 years, really low. You can click here and generate the image and open it up. So I have to run through quickly. You can promote your review. If you close the loan fast, you can generate it and promote it. I need to rush because there's so much more to share with you. So let's skip it. Email drip campaign. You can drip your past client or your target clients on a holiday, or you can target your realtor. You can do a follow-up campaign. On your lead, on your prospect, on your loan, you can do a follow-up campaign. You can drip them. You can do a mailing list to allow you to send out, like I send out to all my clients here, 30,000. I create a list so that I can send it out. You can create a lead funnel or widget. You can have your own subscription and newsletter. Let's see what else. We have training academy for you. We have training academy. We have AI for you to work with. It's our training academy. You can have open house events set up. There's a lot. And then come back to the pricing engine. I forgot to show you that you can do non-QM pricing engine. So let's say for a purchase investment, you can do a DSCR loan, right? And you can run the pricing. And you can see we have 7 lenders here. The rate is pretty good. Some lender, you can even have 6.375 with some credit. Okay. Anyone have, okay. I think I can stop it here and answer a question. Let's see who. Hi, Rahika.
Yes, hi, thank you again. What kind of training would we get proper formal training to be able to learn how to use your software and stuff?
Yes, we provide training on that.
And how long is it? Is it in person?
Yes, in person, yes.
Okay, and how long is the training?
We have for the software, it's through training, but we have the kickoff call as well. And then if later on, if you still have questions, you can go to Marketplace and ask questions. The support specialist will help you. So we have full support, full training.
Okay. No, I mean, how long is the in-person training? So, and would that be in San Jose?
1 hour. 1 hour. No, not in person. It's on webinar.
Oh,
It's
okay,
live.
okay,
It's live training, but not in person.
okay. And you teach how to use the whole technical stuff, the program, software, and everything?
Yeah, our COO will help you train you with that. I will be training you with lead and marketing and how to use pricing engine. But our COO will train you everything else. Yeah.
Okay. And the company leads you had mentioned, is there a charge to buy the company lead?
No, company lead, we give it to you, but we pay you not
Got it.
much.
Yeah.
25.
But then
Yeah.
if we have that client come back to me, then do I still make only 25 basis points, or
No,
would that be
no. It's gonna be self-sourced, so you make 100% commission.
the time? Okay.
Yeah.
And then the
Yeah.
credit reporting fee, we have to cover that ourselves?
Yeah, normally you can ask your client to pay for it when they fill out the application.
Okay.
And if you pay for it, we will pay you back when the loan closes. We will charge the borrower and pay you back. And
Okay.
with Rocket Mortgage, you can send loan to Rocket Mortgage and pull the credit report there. It's free.
Okay.
It's free. Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
That's it.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Hello, hi, Neil. Hello, Neil. Yeah, your sound is really bad. I barely can hear you. Hello, Neil. I cannot hear you at all. I cannot hear you at all. I cannot hear you. Can you write out a question? I'm sorry. I cannot hear you. I will come back to you. I'm sorry. Hello, KK. Hello, KK.
Hi, thanks again. My question is, you said that in your presentation, we can we can make our commission as zero to be very competitive if needed. But in that case, I don't make any money, which I understand. But at the same time, do I still have to pay the fee for you, I mean the desk fee as well as the processing fee?
No, you never lose money. You never lose money at all. So let's say you lower your comp to compete, right? And the commission turned out the lender pay us only $1,200. Then we will split 50-50. Company will keep 600, you get paid 600. If the commission turned out to be $600 total, then you get paid 300. We get paid 300. So that's it. You never lose money.
Okay. So do I still have to pay the 1,095 fee to you in that case?
No, half and half. That's it. You don't have to pay
Oh, okay.
1095 anymore. Yeah.
Okay, got it. Thank you. That's
Yeah.
it. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Hello, Michael.
Hello, Tuan. Thank
Hey,
you for your
Michael.
time.
Yes.
I've decided that I really like to work for a loan factory. I've been in the mortgage industry for over 20 years in Washington State. I was a branch manager at times. I recently, however, moved to South Carolina. I understand that loan factory, even though it's not a rule in South Carolina, loan factory has a 75-mile branch radius policy. My home is outside of that radius. From what I can tell, this isn't, like I said, a state South Carolina thing at all. But I'd like to ask if you can consider waiving that 75-mile radius for me to work for Loan Factory if I cover all of my home office fees, keep everything in regulation and compliance. Would that work for you?
Yeah. I think we do allow home office, and we will support that. If the state allow that, we will allow that. Yeah.
Excellent. Thank you.
Yeah, we go by the law. The state requires, we have to require. It's not loan factory thing. It's the state. So you talk to
Excellent. Thank
my
you.
team. Yeah, talk to my team. If they cannot help you, ask them to escalate to me. Thank you.
Yes, Daniel wanted me to come to this and ask about it. So thank you.
Yeah. You can ask him to reach out to me and we can discuss over the email. Thank you, Michael.
Great. Thank you.
Hi, Kavita.
Hey, hi. Thank you. So my question is also about the credit report. Now, you said we can send our loans to Rocket and they cover the credit report charge. Now, so which means there's no free credit pulls. Is it correct?
We send the loan. If you send your loan to Rocket, it will be free. They pay for it, but it's not transferable. You cannot use the credit report for another lender.
Okay. So the credit
Yeah.
report is $86 is what is you told?
Yes. 86 or 89 between that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, and sometimes clients don't like to pay for the that upfront, so that's a cost.
Yeah.
That's a gray area that LOs have to.
Normally I pay for it. Because I don't want to, but then it's 50-50. I talk to a lot of loan officers. They are happy to push the client to pay for it. So it's all depend on your personal preference.
I see.
Yeah.
In terms of the mentorship, now you said we are able to lower our comp. Now, when we lower our comp, for example, let's take the $600, example. Now, if I have a mentor, the mentor is going to take 50% and I'm going to get 50%. Then what happens to Loan Factory in that situation?
So what happens is we take it first. Loan Factory always deduct 1095 or 50% if the commission is too low. Then whatever left, you split with your mentor.
Okay, so which means you'll take the 300, and out of my 300, I'll give my mentor 150, and I'll keep 150. That's how it is.
Yes.
Fair enough. All right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
This is
But that is very extreme. It's almost never happened like that. The commission cannot be so low like that. We deal with this, so we know. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, Michael. You still have question for me? I will move on. Renata?
Yes, hi again. Thank you. I have 5 questions, but they're very, very quick. Did you say that
Yes.
we have a CRM?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can see at the bottom. Yeah, our CRM is built in.
Okay,
You can see our
wonderful.
red alert. Yeah, go ahead. I'm sorry.
Okay. Do you provide the business cards or do we have to create them?
We will create for you, but you have to
Okay.
order it yourself. Yeah.
Okay. And can Loan Factory beat credit unions rates?
Depend. If it's conventional FHA, yes, we can beat them easily.
Okay.
But
And
if it's jumbo or equity line of credit, we cannot.
okay. Two more left. I was told that there's $100 sign-up fee. Are you still doing that?
Yes.
Okay, so
Because
you have to pay
we have
for
to.
something.
Yeah, one time, $100. Because when we sponsor you, we have to pay for the sponsorship fee. So it costs us money as well when we sponsor you.
Okay, and this is my last question, and if you don't have time, that's fine. Can you talk about the real estate side of the house that you're getting ready to implement when you're ready?
Yes.
And
Yes.
thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah. The real estate, we will support you. One thing that every one of us must know is out there, our industry changed so much. Real estate company to become a lender like Zillow, right? Mortgage company become a real estate company like Rocket. Now they buy Redfin. So, and then even loan officer out there getting real estate agent license, and vice versa. Realtor now get loan license. So when everything crossed the line like that, no more business from realtor because now they get license, they get paid. So it's very difficult for us to win, to become competitor, to remain competitive. So that is why I believe that if you want, you should get your real estate license. And when you when you need to compete, you can offer the client 2% back. 2% back. It's a lot of money. Offer them that 2% back. You can do that from your real estate side so that you can win the deal easily and you can make money on the mortgage. And it's so easy on the real estate side. You don't do much. In our industry, the most difficult part is winning the client. Everything else is so easy. And
Okay.
at Loan Factory, we have support. Well, the processor does most of the work. You know, we have support. We help you. We make everything easy for you. So my advice is, if you want, you should get licensed, real estate agent license. Thank you.
Okay. I am a realtor since 2006, but my question is really more towards what if I have a question about a contract, or I'm in a situation where I need help on the real estate side of the transaction when I'm representing both? How are you going to handle that? Thank you.
Yeah, we are launching a real estate division. So there will be leader, there will be support, and they can help you.
Wonderful. I think that is so good. Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Yeah, thank you. We help you just like we help you with mortgage, with loan, right? Hello, hi, Mark. Mark.
Hi, Tuan again.
Yes.
So in one of the videos I saw, you know what? Because we were talking about correspondent versus wholesale, and
Yes.
but in one of the videos I saw, they were talking about if we have a subject property TBD, we cannot do correspondent. Is that true?
I'm not sure. Victoria, Brian, can you check and get back to Mark? I don't think so. But it doesn't matter, right? Remember this. TBD approval is just a pre-approval. We don't care if it's wholesale or correspondent.
Okay.
So it's before an actual application, before it become a loan. So I don't think your question is relevant. You should be able to do a TBD approval.
On the correspondent side?
It's not relevant because it's not even wholesale or correspondent. It's just a pre-approval. It's not a real loan.
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
not
yeah,
a real. Yeah.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Hello, Pio. Pio?
Hello, hi. How are you? I'm very new at this, as well as so many here. I have a couple of questions. One of them is, I'm in Florida, and
Yes.
doing my research this week, I read that there's no leads in Florida. Is that true?
I never heard about that. Can you share with our team? I
No,
never
like,
heard about.
so that
Oh,
Loan
I
Factory
see.
doesn't
I see
offer
what you
leads
mean.
in Florida.
Oh, that is company loan. But for trigger lead and social media lead, yes, we have that in Florida.
Yeah, but what are we going to do then? You know, because Trigger Leads is about to expire with the new law that it was signed this year. So after that law comes in place, so it'll only be social media leads.
Yes, that's correct. And we will try to find other way to get more lead, like rate table and all that. But we are trying to find more way to help you.
Okay. Because since I'm very
lead,
new, since I'm very new, I will rely on some leads to start.
Yeah, and then so the lead will not go away until March next year. So you have a few months to work on lead, and with a good platform like Loan Factory, it helps you win client easier. We have best pricing, best technology. We have the Loan Factory IQ to help you stay in front of your clients, stay in front of your realtor. I forgot to mention one thing. When you join Loan Factory, you can invite the realtor to use Loan Factory IQ. Right now, a lot of realtor pay in HomeBot a lot of money, almost $200 a month. You can invite them to use our Loan Factory IQ for free. Yeah. the market is tough out there. You need to work very hard, and you need to be with a great platform, great support in order to become more successful. It's really tough. Yeah. Thank you, Pio. Hi,
You're
Darla.
welcome.
Hello, Darla.
Hi there. So if I'm licensed in one of the W-2 states in North Carolina, but I'm also licensed realtor in California, and I get GRE licensed in California, am I still going to be W-2 there? Because, or
Yeah. One
okay,
person have to be either W-2 or 1099.
okay,
So if you really want to be 1099, you should not get licensed in North Carolina. If you choose to have a license in North Carolina, then you must be W-2. We cannot pay you 1099.
so if I'm currently, that's the only license I kept. We were planning on moving there, so I dropped the other ones. But if I just came on board as in North Carolina, and then I added the other states and went back to 1099, got rid of North Carolina, could I switch back over to 1099 and DRE in California?
Yeah, if you get rid of North Carolina,
Okay.
then we can pay you 1099.
Okay. So
As
since
long
I'm
as you
just,
don't,
yeah, I'm
as
just
long as you don't
licensed
have
in that one
license in those,
state right now.
yeah, that's fine. Yeah,
I
if
can
it's only one state.
come on board and then figure it all out.
Yeah, easy.
Okay. And then I noticed the guy that said he was just moved from Washington State to South Carolina. There was the 75-mile rule. Do you think that's the case in North Carolina, or haven't heard that?
Only South Carolina, not
Okay.
North Carolina. Yeah.
Okay. So I can come on
Some
board and
state,
then figure it all out and add states or take that one away or whatever from there.
exactly. So when
Perfect.
you on board, don't we will not sponsor you for North Carolina, and we that way we will allow you to be 1099 with us.
Right. But I can come on board and sponsor initially here and then drop that license and pick up a different one, and then
Yes.
drop one. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. You can do all that. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
great.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Darla. Thank you, Darla.
Thank you.
Hello, Neil. Hello, Neil.
Hey, Mr. Nguyen, this is Neil. How are we doing?
Good.
Good. Finally got there. Hey, yeah, I like the system you have set up. So I have just a few quick questions. So basically, I'm in Florida, and I'm also a real estate agent. So my question is, you said that we can handle both transactions, real estate transactions and loan origination. So, but how do you decide in Florida, for example, if I'm 1099 or W-2? You decide or I decide?
You decide, because in Florida, the state allow 1099. So you can choose to be 1099 or W-2.
Gotcha. Okay, good. All right. So the other question I have, for example, is so other things I've done like marketing. So would you create a new email address, phone number for me,
Yes.
or I could use what I had previously? I had to change those over, right?
No, we will give you a company address like neil@loanfactory.com. You can use that email, and you can sign up to use a Zoom phone. We charge like $10 or $12 a month, very low, and you have your own phone number, and it's really powerful. Zoom phone is very powerful.
Mhm.
Yeah,
All right.
record all
So
conversation. Yeah,
I guess what I'm saying is, can I continue using the same phone number I have, or I have to change that?
yeah. You can use the same phone number
Thanks.
that you have right now. Yes.
Yeah, that way I don't have to change marketing. Okay, good deal.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
The other question,
Yeah.
good. The other question I have is basically, I saw the Loan Factory options for loans. So it looks like typically it's like vanilla, generic, conforming, conventional loans, but you also have like FHA, VA, reverse mortgage, HECMs, things like that.
Yes, correct. We have all types of loans. If you look at our marketplace, you can see that we have more loan program than any other lenders, any brokers out there. We work with 248 lenders with all kinds of loans. You don't have to say no to your client anymore. We do land, mobile home loan, commercial, you name it, private money loan, non-QM loan, IT loan, all kinds of loans. Yes.
Okay, good. So you also mentioned mobile homes. So basically, are you able to do mobile home loans? But what I mean is not real estate, like chattel, personal property,
Correct.
like that.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct. Chattel. We have 5 lenders that can do chattel home loan. Yes.
Do you know, I'm looking for 2 specifically ones. Do you know which ones you're actually brokered with?
I think there's not many of them out there, and we work
I
with
know.
all of them.
Yeah, there's
work
only
with
a few,
all
but
of
I'm looking
them.
for 2 of them.
You can see my screen. You can see my screen here, right? And
Yeah.
I can pick Chattel
Yeah, I'm
Home
Florida.
Loan, and you can see here
Okay.
are the list.
Yeah, I'm looking for Triad. All
Yes.
right, but you don't have 21st though, right?
Yeah, these are
Just
the
Triad.
one that we have. All
Yeah.
six of
Okay.
these. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Triad is good. Okay, good. All right, good deal. And the other question I
Yeah.
have, so basically when it comes to fees, it's basically $595 flat. It's $500 for processing, and then a credit
Yes.
report, and then there's probably a flood cert too.
Yeah, but the first cert, the borrower will pay. You don't
Yeah,
have
exactly.
to pay.
I know.
The borrower pay the credit report. You can
Yeah.
pay, or the borrower can pay. But then if
Yeah.
you pay and the loan is closed, we will charge the borrower and pay you back.
Yeah, no problem. I always pass
Yeah.
that over to the borrower anyways. All
Yeah.
right. So the other
Yeah.
question I have about that also is, so, but that is for all loans, even if it's govy loans, or just for conventional?
Yeah, a government loan, same thing.
Same thing. Okay, good deal. Good deal. All right. And so
Yeah.
basically it's $100 is the startup, and then there's no ongoing fees?
No, correct. Correct.
Okay. Okay, good deal. Good deal. All right.
Yeah.
And we can change our
Yeah.
own compensation schedule too, depending on the loan, and things like that too.
Exactly. Exactly.
Okay. All
Exactly.
right, good deal. Yep, yep. Appreciate
Yeah.
it. Okay. Thank you very much,
you.
Mr. Wayne.
Thank you, Neil. Thank you. Hi, let's see who is next here. I think Megan. Megan?
Hi. Hi, Mr.
Yes,
Wong.
hi.
Thanks for your time.
Yes.
Everything sounds great. I love the platform. I just want to know, with the training that we're gonna get if we on board, is that gonna be like, is there some sort of continuous training? As
Yes.
far as like being able to know what you offer, what we can offer out there to real estate agents, how we can sell ourselves to make sure that we're being, staying on top of the mind. Is there
Yes,
training
we
of that?
do.
Okay.
Yeah, we do. I mean, I can share with you something. I update my loan officer all the time of what's going on out there, even like the home port program here. So the home port program is so good. It's for primary resident, and the rate is really low. So most people don't know about this program. This is the only lender that offer this rate deal. So I share with everyone. So that way you can approach the realtor and say, hey, if you have a client who have low income but still want to buy a house, or if they don't have a job, we can help them buy a home with the rate is really low. You can, we educate our loan officer all the time. We also have we use a chat. We have a community. I forgot to share with you. We have a community here. When we have a space, a loan officer are chatting, loan officer feedback. You go to marketing. You see that you can go to the bottom. You see our loan officer chatting all the time with different. This is marketing, so they talk about marketing. If you go to feedback or loan officer, you see loan officer 2000 loan officer chatting. Even this morning, even now, and then you chatting, you learn from each other. Very cool. It's a community, and we help each other. Yeah.
Thank you.
Did I answer your question? Thank you. Thank you. Hi, Christina. Hello, Christina. Hello, Pio. You still have question? Your hand is still up.
Hear me now?
Yes, yeah, I can hear you now, Christina.
Okay. So I was just wondering a couple of questions. So we have that processing fee and the closing per loan fee. Are we able to have the borrower ever pay for those fees?
Yes.
If we're
Yes.
not making enough, like on compensation, and we want to put that on.
Yeah.
But we want to be competitive, so we're able to sometimes do that, or if it makes sense.
Regarding processing fee, if you want the borrower to pay for it, the best way is to send the loan to the correspondent channel. That way you can charge the borrower the processing fee. And if you want to remain competitive, listen to me. If you want to be competitive, if you want to offer your client the best possible rate, and you don't lose client to another loan officer, then two things. You have to use the pricing engine to shop around and pick the best lender for your clients. Most loan officers right now are not doing that. And I feel bad. Shame on that loan officer. How could you run a business and not shopping around to find the best lender for your clients, right? So when you say you want to offer them the competitive rate, that's perfect. That means you have to use our pricing engine to shop around and give your client the best rate, the best lender, the lowest rate. And then secondly, we always have to mindful with the costs, right? So that is why Loan Factory, we offer $500 processing fee. If you go with an independent third-party processor, they charge $900, $1,000. And that means the borrower end up paying for that. The borrower getting smarter, they know that. They will shop around. And they see that you charge a lot of fee, they will leave you. So that's why at Loan Factory, we charge only $500. And you have an option. You can pay for it, or the borrower can pay for it. And even if the borrower pays for $500 processing fee, it's not much. It's still acceptable. So that is why you always have to look out for your client's best interest. Shop around, and then shop around for everything. Shop around for the lender, and then make sure the processing fee is low so that you can save money for your clients.
Right. So that's what I was asking, is because maybe we want to be competitive on the rate and offer lender credit, and maybe we're not making too much off the comp or whatnot on the back. But say they don't see there's an origination fee, they are getting a really good interest rate, and we do charge them for that processing fee. I'm just wondering if it's an option.
Yeah. That is why, if you look at the pricing engine, this is the best way to deal with the clients. Always give them option. So for example, like this, right? A refinance, always give them option. Like, let me show you the pricing. I always give them option. I don't tell them one thing. Like, I tell them, hey, if you want 6.125, you pay no cost, you get some money back. But if you want a lower rate, 6%, then you have to pay this. So it's up to them. This is the best we can do. Always give them different options like this. And some borrower would love to pay us a little bit of processing fee, but they get lower rate. So always give them option. And we already build that for you. We already do that for you. Everything in here. Keep everything really simple.
Right. So you said we have the option to charge them the processing fee and the closing fee, or not the closing fee? The $595.
No, $595 you have to pay. There's no other ways.
All right, I'm just asking. Okay, so also wanted to ask you about the leads. I'm also in Florida.
Yes.
Okay. I'm in Fort Walton Beach. I'm not sure about that rule that you have about the 75-mile radius. Is that something you guys check on?
You say you're in South Florida or South Carolina?
No, I'm in North Florida. Like, I'm in Fort Walton Beach, Florida.
Okay. In Florida, there's no minimum distance requirement like South Carolina, so you don't have to worry.
I was just
you got
trying to.
the lead. We still give our lead normally. So it's just we don't give a company lead at all. They just trigger lead and social media lead.
Right, and so I also saw there's triggered leads are $2.50 each.
Yes.
And then if a client moves along with us off of that trigger lead, and we split that 50-50.
No, it's yours 100%. It's self-generated.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay. 100%. But then what is that 80-20 split that was mentioned earlier?
That is when you are brand new, you are new loan officers. Then for the first 5 loans, we pay you only 80% because we have to support you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And that's different than the tier 1 and the tier 2?
There's no tier 1, tier 2.
Oh, I heard about a 70-30 and a 50-50 with the
No.
mentor.
No.
Okay.
Oh, that is what you deal with the mentor.
Like
You
if you
pick the
want-
mentor. Yeah.
But we automatically get the support for the first 5 loans. For
Yeah,
the
correct.
80-20. Okay.
Correct.
Okay. And then one more question.
Yes.
So that social media lead, you said that someone clicks on the ad, and if we're signed up for it, we get it sent at 8 in the morning.
Yes, before 8 in the morning.
Is
And you
that
should call them first. Yeah.
8 in the morning in PST time, or what time?
We try to do it local time. So every loan officer will get lead before 8 a.m. And the reason is we don't want you to call the lead too soon. Like 6 a.m., you shouldn't call the borrower.
Right. So if I'm in Florida and I wake up at 8 a.m. Central Standard Time, am I going to see a lead there around that time, or am I going to see it at 10?
If you wake up at 8 a.m. your time, the lead already delivered to you.
Oh, okay. I just was wondering. And they're
Yeah.
in my time zone, that lead?
Yeah,
person?
your time.
Okay.
Depend on the state that you want the lead. So if you only want Florida lead, we send you only Florida lead.
Okay. And that one, is it 50-50 split, or is that
If
the,
it's free, if you get it for free, then the 50-50 split. If you pay $2.50 for each lead, then it's 100% commission.
okay. I was wondering. Okay. Were you going to say anything else? I don't know if I interrupted you when we were talking about the
Yeah.
80-20.
Yeah, the $5.95 flat fee. It's actually built into your commission, right? If you want the borrower to pay for it, you raise your commission $5.95 because you control the commission, right? So
On the
if you
back
want
end.
to, yeah, you control the commission. So it's easy to control and determine what is your pay. You gotta
Right.
get.
And that's more easily done with the correspondence plans.
Yes.
But then
Yes.
I also saw the 1% that was automatically put in there when you were kind of going over something. Was that a broker loan, or what was
No,
that?
it's my preference, 1%, but it's up to you. You can set your own preference.
Okay, I was just wondering. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you for answering those questions.
Thank you. Hi, Rahika. Hello, Rahika. I will. Megan. Still
You've already
Salvador.
answered my question. Sorry.
Thank you. Hi, Salvador. Hello, Salvador.
Hey, Tuan. Thank you so much
Yes.
for your time and for everybody. I really love the information. I really appreciate everything. How does one get started?
How does mortgage started? What do you mean?
How do we get started as an MLO with you?
Oh, very easy. Our team will reach out to all of you to see if you want to join or not, and they will help you step by step. It's really easy, really fast. Yeah.
Okay.
Don't worry.
Awesome.
We will reach out to you. We'll reach out to you soon. Thank you, Salvador. Thank you.
All right, great. Thank you, guys.
You will love Loan Factory. I'm pretty sure. Thank you. Hi, Rent. Hello, Rent.
Hi, Thun. Appreciate it. All the information you've been providing. So I actually did everything in reverse. I already paid $100 and signed up today, so I'm ready to go. Now, with that payment I made, can I get licensed in 3 states with that? Is that what you sponsor?
Yeah, we will sponsor up to 3 states. Yeah, we will sponsor
Okay.
every one of you up to 3 states. And Even if you want to sponsor in more state, we will love to sponsor you as well. Yeah.
Okay. You just pay
Yeah.
more or to do
No,
that,
you
or-
don't pay more. You
Okay.
only pay
And how
more
much-
when you only
Okay.
pay more when right now you have so many states and you switch to Loan Factory, then every other state $30 each. But that is not many people fall into that category. So you don't have to worry. Thank you, Ren. Thank you. So
All right, thank you. Appreciate it.
so I want everyone to notice one thing is it's very competitive out there. It's not easy. And not only that you have great platform, great lender to support you, but we have to have great technology to make sure we become more competitive. Remember our business, we are at the battlefield. We battle against other loan officer or lender or the client. We are battling. And at the battlefield, we need to have better weapon. So technology is so important. Better ammunition. If we know the lender, we work with good lender, we have better ammunition, right? They give us better rate to help us win. And you receive better training. Loan Factory, we train you, we help you. I myself, we show you how I do things so that you can learn from me. You can learn from other loan officer and you can become better and better. So I want you to look into everything and make sure you stay competitive. You don't have to join Loan Factory if you are not ready. What I really want you to do is make sure your business become better and better. Make sure you keep, you become more successful. And if not, you better do something. If your business is not successful, something wrong. You should do something about it to change it. And you have to keep trying. If you cannot change it, then you have to join Loan Factory because you try everything. You're not successful. Then what you gonna do next, right? So I hope you learn from me. And for me, I try so many things. Many times I fail, but that's fine. I keep trying. I try different things, try new things. I increase the pressure. I do more. And that way I become more successful. And I want you to learn from me and try to be successful as well. So thank you for spending more than 2 hours with me. That means you really like the webinar. That means you're learning. That means you are very serious and committed. So, and that means that is a good size. So thank you, everyone. Have a nice weekend. Thank you.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for your
Thank you.
time. You're wonderful.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Mr. Dewey.